Nuun Sport, Electrolyte Drink Tablets, Variety Pack, 60 servings, 10 count, pack of 6. High Electrolytes, Sports Drink Tablets bursting with a natural, low-calorie fruity flavor. Mix with water for a hydrating beverage to keep you powering through your next workout. Enhance your workout and/or your workday naturally through improved hydration. Keep a tube in your gym bag, car, purse, hiking pack or anywhere you'll want to mix up a healthy, replenishing drink. No artificial flavoring or sweeteners, sweetened with high-quality stevia only, and are keto-friendly. Nuun Sport is designed with complete electrolytes and non-GMO ingredients for clean, guilt-free hydration. We've had some work done. At first look, you'll notice Nuun Sport's snazzy packaging makeover. We hope that our new look will help to better identify the Nuun product that's right for you. Box contains lemon lime, strawberry lemonade, fruit punch, grape, tropical and tri-berry. 6 tubes and 60 servings total. During the summer months, products may arrive warm, but Amazon stores and ships products in accordance with manufacturer's recommendations when provided. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.